Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Wrestle Square War. I'm Abhishek Aneja alongside Gaurang Mehra, and we have our first match of the night. We have Max Lucha's Dolls against the Heritage.
Abhishek Aneja, can you please tell the viewers why Max Luchas are now Max Luchas Dolls? What happened?
Max Lucha's Dolls. What happened was that basically Lucha Boy last week got eliminated from the team Curfew, and that is what happened. He is a traitor, basically.
He's a traitor, he's a victim.
He's a victim, he's a traitor, whatever you call it, but in the eyes of the law, he got beat, he got victimized, and he got conquered. And basically what happened last week, Major X and Amit got in a match, and then Team Curfew interfered in the match, like always, like in season 1 and in this season, because they do not want an Intercontinental Champion to be crowned.
Sour grapes, Abhishek Aneja, sour grapes.
Absolutely. Or it is basically that they want to show their power, that who is the people that run this yard, basically. So that's why they interfered, they wreaked havoc in this ring, and basically
just like the havoc that is being created in this ring right now.
Yes, but they also didn't attack Major X, they also attacked Amit. So now entering the ring, they all the Amit the assassin.
We have some 2-on-2 action here. And the Heritage, the team of Amit and Arjun.
Yes.
Super kick party!
Yeah, baby. So Arjun came to the aid of Amit in the post-match attack.
Fall. 2 count.
So finally someone came to the aid of Amit and stood up to Team Curfew. That's what happened.
Precisely so, and that's why we have this match, because Team Curfew told the Heritage that don't beg for titles, you have to fight, because this is war. This ain't a joke, man. So you have to fight for it, and with that tag, the legal man comes in.
So you are not getting a title shot. Basically, that's what the Heritage was told by Team Curfew. So they are fighting Max Lucha's Dolls. If they can beat these two guys, so then Team Heritage might get a title shot in the near future.
But I would like to highlight here, we have a new person who we have just seen in bits and pieces. Now he's competing in a match, in a tag team match. Would you like to highlight that person here, Abhishek Aneja?
Yes, we met him backstage. He calls himself Leon, the guy in the white mask.
Blind tag there, maybe? Not the legal person.
He blind tagged and brilliant basement dropkick on the head of Arjun.
Full attempt? Not even a 2.
Not even a 2. Not a good cover.
Arjun is in the ring. Arjun also a debutant here. We have got a debutant versus a debutant.
Yes, we have seen him in Vin Dangal Ke Surma. He was in a tag team, Shaurya with Amit. Amit was Shaurya and Arjun was Veer. A 2 count. A brilliant roll-up pinfall attempt with a 2 count. And now we have the isolation technique being employed by Leon. Now Henry Flamita. Yes, Flamita. Oh my God, you are trying to.
No, I'm not. I mean, see, basically. Look at that. Flurry of kicks. Legs thumping. Flamita is in the lead of the match. Attacking.
Now he is basically toying with Arjun.
Nice Nice camera angle there. Real close up of the action in between the ring.
Now, Amit wants a tag. Arjun needs to, give a tag
Oh!
to him. Right to the midsection, very near to the family jewels. But Henry Flamita comes back with a shot to the back. Exhaustion coming into play. He tags in Leon. And now Leon is the freshman. And now he's in to pummel Arjun.
Irish whip, reversed. Oh! Kick to the hand. Oh! Shades of the Undertaker.
Yes, and oh! Lion Salt.
Shades of Chris Jericho.
2 count. And Gaurang Mehra making fun of my calls right now.
Grabs him by the hair. Well, that's not legal, I suppose. Oh. Throws him into the corner. Makes the tag. This is how a classic tag team should be. You keep making the tag. जिससे कि आप ज़्यादा थके ना, and the double attack kick. Oh!
Assisted leg drop. Beautiful.
Beautiful. Pinfall. Oh, 2 count.
और जैसे कि आप बात कर रहे थे, tag team wrestling का एक बहुत ही बढ़िया प्रदर्शन.
जी हाँ.
Brilliant, frequent tags are being made by Max Lucha's Dos, and they are isolating Arjun.
Oh.
And वहाँ पर अमित जो है खड़े हुए हैं, जबकि ये लोग एक टैग टीम के तरह जो है परफॉर्म कर रहे थे, द हेरिटेज.
एक्चुअली में आप अगर देखेंगे तो उसके अंदर उनकी कोई गलती नहीं है. जो मैक्स लूचर्स हैं वो उनको अलाउ ही नहीं कर रहे हैं कि वो टैग कर पाए.
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल.
आइसोलेशन टेक्निक यहाँ पे कुछ ज्यादा ही स्तर पे इस्तेमाल की जा रही है अभिषेक जी. मुझे लग रहा है आपकी आवाज पहुंच गई वहां तक. Another tag. Flamita comes back. The ring. Beyond Irish whips. Flamita. This is it. Desperate. Oh! Close up with authority.
But now can he make a tag?
Well, he's close. He's close. He needs to work.
But a pin for attempt.
Oh.
2 count.
A smart move would have been to make the tag, but instead he went for the pinfall attempt, and look at that.
But he tried to win there. That is also a smart move.
But that costed him. Look at that. Now he's not able to make the tag. He's a weak person right now. He's the weak link. वो है कमजोर कड़ी.
कौन? अर्जुन.
और यहाँ पे बहुत ही बेहतरीन
leg scissors. बहुत ही बढ़िया सबमिशन मूव. और ये आर्म को भी जो है ट्रैप कर रखा है. और पिन फॉर अटेम्प्ट 2 काउंट.
बहुत ही बेहतरीन तरीके से वहां पर अर्जुन ने उसको रिवर्स किया, एंड विद दैट बट ओनली फॉर 2 काउंट. बट वी नीड टू अप्रिशिएट दैट.
एब्सोल्युटली. लेकिन अब फिर से आप देख रहे हैं आइसोलेट कर दिया अपने ही कॉर्नर पे. अर्जुन इज इन द रॉन्ग पार्ट ऑफ टाउन.
बिग राइट.
और लियोन इज ट्राइंग टू स्टॉप अ मड होल इन अर्जुन. Again attack. अब क्या करे? And now Arjun isn't even here. The lights are out in his head.
Oh, come on, for heaven's sake. You can only do that for a 5 count, referee. Good job by the ref.
But he has till 5.
Irish whips him to the corner, reverses it again. Flamita in the danger area. Oh! Comes. Oh! He catches him in midair. Oh!
Brilliant knife edge chop. Oh!
Into 2. Flamita, he's taking his time. He's enjoying this.
But it is bad. It is bad, and he paid for it.
Arjun comes back on the top rope. Oh!
Flying crossbody, and now he's very close. And there's a tag.
Very nice. He drops him down. Leon is down. Leon. Oh, one more time. Ahmed is he's all fired up here.
Yes, he is, and now the wheels are turning in his head. What can he do? What can he do to break down this team and get themselves a title shot for the World Tag Team titles against Skyler and Risky?
Catches him in the fisherman. Oh! Oh! For a pinfall? Beautiful, but
only a 2 count.
Precisely.
And oh my God, it's the illegal man inside.
Oh! Oh, he drops!
He dropped him inside. Oh!
Arjun is enjoying it!
But not for long. He has a oh! Slingshot spear. It's very innovative.
Very innovative there, but Ahmed has caught him from the back.
Oh! Slingshot.
Knee right to the chest, right to the heart.
V-trigger. Oh! Reverse DDT. Now we have Arjun.
Oh! Back drops him right in the center of this ring. Oh, he's all fired up, huh? Oh, Leo miss karte hue. He grabs him. Is he? Oh! I think most famous.
Super kick! Oh! Here we have a beautiful victory!
Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of this match. Oh my God, the Heritage.
And now, hopefully, they get a title shot in the near future against Team Curfew.
Definitely so.
That was a hard-fought victory, but in the end, they get what they deserve. Brilliant, brilliant. Arjun and Amit, now the #1 contenders for the Wrestle Square World Tag Team titles.
Well, I exactly know what you guys were thinking. That who is this guy standing right here? Well, let me introduce myself. I am the new member of the India's greatest stables, the Max Luchas. And the name is 10K. Well, 10K. You guys thinking the 10K is kind of like number? No, don't you ever dare to think that. Apart from that, I don't like to speak very much. I don't like to run my mouth around here. So if you guys want to see who actually I am, you better step in the ring with me, then I will prove it there. See you soon.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so
Ladies and gentlemen, we welcome you back to Wrestle Square War. In the first match, we saw a very definitive, a very strong tag team match between Max Luchas and the Heritage, where the Heritage were our winners. And here we have a triple threat match between Major X, 10K, and Rascal.
Yes, this match is for the Intercontinental Championship tournament. And the three men we have right now. We have Major X, we all know him. We have 10K. 10K is the guy in the white mask. And we have Rascal, he is in the black tights. And here we go, we have 10K in control.
Oh, 10K connects right to the punch. जो है जितना बहुत पुराना संबंध रहा है इस टूर्नामेंट से. Oh, he must be frustrated, Abhishek.
Yes, absolutely. Every time he has a match, Team Curfew pokes their fucking nose in this business, and every time, you know, nobody is getting the Intercontinental Championship.
I mean, I've already said this is so grabs a red. Oh, slams him down with authority. Major has first pinfall attempt the match too.
Oh! I am thinking that was a fast count. Maybe Major X and this referee are in cahoots.
अच्छा सही बात है, corruption तो हर जगह है. Oh, the lights went off for a bit.
Now we have 10K with the two knife edge chops, making Major X's chest go red.
Major X, oh.
Major X showing his strength and big body slam, pinfall attempt.
Oh, not even the two there.
Breaking the pinfall attempt, we have Rascal.
नाम से ही इंसान का पता लग जाता है यहाँ पर कैसे इंसान है, कैसा व्यक्तित्व होगा इनका यहाँ पे. रास्कल नाम ही कुछ अपने आप में बहुत बड़ा प्रतिबिंब है अभिषेक जी.
जी बिल्कुल, लेकिन आप इनका मजाक ज्यादा उठाएंगे तो क्या मतलब हमारा क्या होगा. Major X, that was a brilliant combination maneuver. इनको टैग टीम करनी चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से.
But यहाँ पे it's every man for himself, Abhishek. They cannot, work together as a team for very long. Once Major X is down, they have to fight each other. और वही यहाँ पर हो रहा है. Look at that, he's barking words.
But maybe they can form a tag team in the future.
Oh, look at that. They heard you, damn it.
They heard me. That's
बात
good.
होती है एक बात की. Major
मैं
X
तो बोल देता हूँ एक पॉलिटिकल पार्टी बना ले.
नहीं, वो मेजर एक्स को वो अटैक कर रहे हैं दोनों जन मिलके. और look at that, what a European uppercut that was.
That's good. That is a good strategy.
But they have
Getting
to
the strong guy out, and then they can fight among themselves and get a victory.
But you have to think, further. You have to think. Once Major X is down, you have to fight each other. Then
हाँ
what?
ये हाँ ठीक है, बात की बाद में देखेंगे, लेकिन पहले एक बंदे को तो भाई तुम पस्त कर दो, उसको बाहर ले जाके मारो, कूटो, फिर उसके बाद अपने आप.
यहाँ पे वही हो रहा है. Look at that. Rascal.
Come on, Major X, come on.
And 10K, they are putting the beating on Major X
Rolls him.
with a snapmare, and now Rascal is thinking about going upstairs maybe. They're still tag teaming.
It's not big board right to the face and Major X down the mat.
But who will get the pinfall?
मेरे को नहीं लगता अभी उनके दिमाग के अंदर पिनफॉल का कोई ख्याल भी आ रहा है. अभी वो चाहते हैं मेजर है जो कि भूखे हैं एक विक्ट्री के लिए इस टूर्नामेंट के अंदर, उनको पहले बाहर करते हैं. Look at that, Major X still trying to come back. This shows how hungry this guy is.
But still he is put down. He's still down. After even getting the pummeling, the beating from two people, he is still getting up. That shows the heart and courage of Major X.
यहाँ पे लगे.
Now targeting the knees of Major X.
How's that feel, Major X, huh? How's that feel, huh? Come on, huh? Answer me. Come on.
What's he saying?
Come on.
Is he using Spanish? I don't get it.
He's a luchador, but he's speaking English. That shows that how multilingual this guy is. I'm a fan now.
Well, दर्शकों को मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि वो लियोन और 10K को कंफ्यूज ना करें. लियोन has a tattoo on his chest
Yes.
and 10K doesn't.
Okay.
So that should be clear. And Major X trying to come back. He's fighting, he's trying to come back. Desperately connects with that abdomen. With uppercut. Major X connects with that abdomen one more time. Oh, repeat telecast.
Major X, he's trying. He's exhausted, but he's trying. Can he come back? Now repeated elbows. to Rascal.
Rex.
He wants to win this bad.
Oh!
But how bad?
Oh! Echoes! Rascal, the number game coming into play here. 2-on-1 will always lead to 2 winning until 1 is that strong.
Still, but ये कब तक ये लोग जो है 2 versus 1 ये कब तक चलता रहेगा? अभी तक ये लोग एक साथ मिलकर जो है इसको मार रहे हैं. ये कब तक?
जी हाँ, बिल्कुल. I mean, it's about 6 minutes into this match and it's still a 2-on-1 handicap match. It's a triple threat match. For heaven's sake, Irish whip. Major X. Oh, holds it by the side. What are they planning?
Whoa!
Major X is dead. He is gone.
Assisted back body drop and oh my god, now they should just pin him. But who will pin him? That's the thing.
Maybe they just want to finish him. इनका एम ही नहीं है जनाब. इनका एम है मेजर एक्स को हराना भी नहीं, उसको चोटिल करना कि वो आगे लड़ ही ना पाए. What are they? घूस मिली है क्या इनको टीम कर्फ्यू से?
That was coming into my mind and
Oh, look at
maybe it is what it is.
Major X is limping. He's in pain. ये तो रहम आ रहा बेचारे पे. हमारे जवानों का ये हाल हो रहा है इस रिंग के अंदर. देखिए डबल आइरिश में. Oh, Major X. Oh,
Still down. Oh, leg drop to the back of the neck. But when will they get a pinfall, man? This is a match for the Intercontinental Championship tournament.
ये मेरे को लग रहा है ये ना रेफरी का काम थोड़ा यहाँ पे आसान कर रहे हैं. उनको पिनफॉल की जरूरत ही नहीं है. आराम से खड़े रहो बस. मसले देखो क्या हो रहा है. पिटते हुए देखो एक इंसान को. ये देखिए क्या है ये.
अब ये हमें डराने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं.
I'm a professional. I'm just doing my job. Oh, Triple X.
Look at the power of 10K. Man.
Major X still manages to be on his knees. Read it. Oh!
Belly to back suplex by Rascal. Oh, brilliant. But यही है कि मेजर एक्स कब तक इस ऑनस्लॉट को सहन कर पाएंगे. तो अभी भी देखो ये उठ रहे हैं. He is coming back on his feet. But
that is just
for how long?
That is just instinct. And look at that. Goes Major X.
Flapjack. And now they're pinning.
Look at that. इसी की हम बात कर रहे थे.
Finally.
Look at that. Now इसी चीज की हम बात कर रहे थे अभिषेक जी यहाँ पर कि अगर ये दोनों आपस में ऐसे टैटू में तो कैसे होगा ये?
Oh! Left blower. Finally by 10K. Finally.
10K crosses the ref. 1, 2, oh. अगर यहाँ पे हो जाता ना तो इतिहास का सबसे बड़ा धोखा होता है.
इतिहास का धोखा होता.
आप समझ सकते हैं ये धोखा होता है इनके साथ. और हम इंडिया के अंदर रहते हैं तब भी ये धोखा होता है इतिहास का. You understand the gravitas of this situation here, Abhishek.
और उससे बड़ी चीज होती कि एक डेब्यूटेंट जो है इंटरकॉन्टिनेंटल चैंपियनशिप टूर्नामेंट में आगे जा रहा है. किनको छोड़ के टीम मेजर एक्स और रास्कल को. वो भी एक डेब्यूटेंट है लेकिन हम इन दोनों रेसलर्स की हम उनकी प्रतिभा को देख रहे हैं इस मैच में कि कितने बढ़िया रेसलर्स हैं.
Oh, he picks him up. Oh no!
Countered by Rascal, and now he's rolling him up.
Oh, one of the dirty hands.
Still a 2 count.
Supposed to be.
Oh! Just snaps him down. Rascal, back press.
Oh.
2 count. And we are seeing Major X in the background, still reeling from the onslaught by 10K and Rascal.
I'm amazed कि Major X वहाँ पे खड़े भी हो पा रहे हैं. He's still able to get up on his feet, Abhishek.
And now Rascal doing the right thing now. Stomping a mud hole in Major X. क्योंकि उनको पता है अगर वो फिर से उठेंगे तो वो जो है पिनफॉल ब्रेक करेंगे। बहुत ही बढ़िया रिंग प्रेजेंस रास्कल के द्वारा। साइड रशियन लेग स्वीप बाय 10K।
मेजर यहाँ पे एक भी नहीं होने दिया।
बहुत बढ़िया अपने लिए मैच को बचा रहे हैं, बट क्या उनमें अभी भी कुछ बचा है जो इस मैच को वो जीत पाएंगे?
क्या समझदार स्ट्रेटजी यहाँ पर ये होती कि वो 10K और रास्कल को लड़ने देते, उनको थोड़ा थकने देते, फिर आते इस मैच में। क्या वो एक चॉइस होती है इनके पास?
हाँ, ये बहुत अच्छी स्ट्रेटजी होती है, लेकिन उनको पिनफॉल तो ब्रेक करना पड़ेगा बॉस। पिनफॉल तो ब्रेक करना पड़ेगा। वन ऑफ द डर्टीएस्ट आपकी लैंग्वेज में स्पाइन बस्टर्स। पिनफॉल नहीं।
No. What's he planning?
Exhaustion coming into play. Back press.
Oh.
10K ब्रेक करते हुए।
मे बी रास्कल का जो रिंग प्रेजेंस है यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा काम नहीं है, या फिर उन्होंने मेजर्स को पहले थोड़ा सा आगे की तरफ धकेला कि वो मिडल में जाए और फिर पिनफॉल को अटेम्प्ट करें कि वो रोप तक ना पहुंच पाए मेजर। स्मार्ट स्ट्रेटजी थी।
रास्कल
सुप्लेक्स।
What a beautiful vertical suplex। और यहाँ पर अब हम देख रहे हैं exhaustion और wear and tear coming into play।
What's happening?
Oh! Zigzag by 10K, giving homage to Dolph Ziggler।
Well, someone gives homage to Dolph Ziggler. That's a new. Oh, Major Rex! Oh! Watch your back!
Repeated stiff knees to the midsection.
Is he going for it? Is he going for it, Abhishek? If he hits it, it's all over.
Oh!
Nice out! Get the pinfall! Get
Major
it!
slam! Major slam!
1, 2, 3!
Yes!
Finally! And definitely, Major Rex wins it!
Wins it, and now he goes forward in the IC title tournament.
Well deserved there, Major Rex. Oh, the salute! और इस बार कोई इंटरफेरेंस नहीं हुई टीम कर्फ्यू के द्वारा. That's a new too, huh?
Yes, that's a new, absolutely.
Major Rex has my respect. He has my respect.
He has our salute, and he deserves this victory.
And 10K and Rascal have nothing but regret.
But they deserve the respect, absolutely.
Good.
मेरा नाम है सिमरन। अपने यहाँ आने की वजह से कम शब्दों में आपको स्पष्ट करता हूँ। मैं यहाँ पर सारे अहंकारियों का अहंकार भरने आया हूँ, सारे पापियों का विनाश करने आया हूँ। यहाँ पर मैं धर्म स्थापना करूँगा। जो कोई भी मुझसे द्वंद करेगा उसे मैं अवश्य पराजय कर ही दूँगा।
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, back to Wrestle Square War. I'm Abhishek Aneja.
You already know it, Abhishek, for heaven's sake.
This was Gaurang Mehra, and we have a triple threat match between Sahil Chauhan, Subject 6, and we have a debutant in Silver Wolf, the guy in the silver attire.
Well, obvious. Isn't it obvious? Isn't that obvious, Abhishek? For heaven's sake. And referee checking Subject 6 for any unethical weapons, illegal weapons that he already had. And there goes the bell. And Abhishek, what is at stake here?
I don't know. Is there anything? No, it's not. It's just a fight to determine who is the better guy.
Well, okay. Maybe the winner will then he will be a bit promoted to fight in the IC tournament.
Wow, that was a brilliant show of athleticism by Silver Wolf. And yes, you are absolutely right. And the winner of this match will move up the ranks. Yes, absolutely. And
out of nowhere, Silver Wolf's clothesline, and there comes Subject 6 back. Subject 6 का जो इतिहास है यहाँ पे थोड़ा खराब है अभिषेक 3 मैच उन्होंने अब तक खेले और तीनों मैच वो हारे हैं बहुत ही शर्मनाक तरीके से लगे बहुत खतरनाक लेकिन घाव थोड़े गंभीर नहीं कर पाए हो जाता है ऐसा
हाँ जी बिल्कुल हाइप बहुत थी लेकिन हारते गए मैचेस आपने कहा खतरनाक दिखते हैं खतरनाक और हारते हैं और ये है बहुत शर्मनाक
only a 1 count there. First pin for attempt of the match. Sahil Chauhan.
बहुत ही बढ़िया stiff elbows.
Sahil Chauhan बल्कि थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा impressive रहे उनका ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड थोड़ा ज़्यादा अच्छा रहा है Subject 6 से.
हाँ जी, absolutely. He won a mixed tag match in last season. अलग सा और एक बहुत ही
चॉकलेटी
बॉय भी लग रहा है. It is looking very much
like. Bulldogging him onto the rope.
Yes, it is looking very much Orange Cassidy-ish. Silver Wolf got it.
Silver Wolf यहाँ पे फंस गए हैं नहीं बाहर निकल गए लेकिन
super kick.
Beautiful.
Sahil Chauhan is now back to the Ranjis. Now Subject 6 is dominant.
Oh yes, he's measuring Silver Wolf.
Oh! Double axe handed to the back of Silver Wolf. 2 count.
Subject 6 needs to build some momentum here. Silver Wolf trying to come back in the match. Subject 6. Right of his own.
That's why it's called high risk, high reward. Beautiful drop kick from the top rope by Sahil Chauhan.
Connected to 2 hearts at the same time. Sahil Chauhan. Where will he go first? Subject 6. 1, 2. No.
Only a 2 count. Hooking the near leg and now hooking the far leg. Again a 2 count. ये साहिल चौहान सही कर रहे हैं. Win for attempt करें, जीते मैच को और खत्म करें. मैच जीतने की कोशिश जरूर करनी चाहिए एक दूसरे को मुक्केबाजी करके शो बोर्डिंग करके रिंग के बीच में ये कुछ खास अच्छी स्ट्रेटजी नहीं है.
Critical of you there, Abhishek. But anyways, Orange whips Subject 6 to the corner, building some momentum.
बहुत ही बढ़िया स्विंग स्प्लैश. Running drop kick. Shades of Bryan Danielson. Can he go it once again?
Oh no, Subject 6 avoids. Connect not happening. Oh, connect to the abdomen of Subject 6. Sahil Chauhan, very well done there. And for a cut up. This is a close line. Sahil Chauhan. Dropped with the knee there.
He didn't connect all of it, but yes.
Some of it.
Whoa! Running senton. Silver Wolf breaking the count. saving the match for himself. He wants to put an impression on the Wrestle Square officials on his debut and pushing Subject 6.
Oh! Shotty में धैर्य रहा. Oh! At least Silver Wolf.
Yes, they absolutely.
And what is that? Baba ki vibhuti or something like that? What was that? Ah.
Basically a slap.
I look at Subject 6. Oh, he wants a taste of Sahil Chauhan maybe, or Silver Wolf. He's unclear. Oh, connects to the back, the upper spine.
Now Subject 6 is stalking Sahil Chauhan and Silver Wolf, which isn't new. He is prone to
Is he a
stalking.
stalker? Oh, is he a stalker? I need some legal help here. Subject says, oh, pushes him. Sahil Chauhan.
A shoulder tackle and pushes him. And now focusing his attack on Silver Wolf. Irish whip. Oh! Spinning backdrop. Innovative back press.
No, not happening. They're not so easy.
2 count. We are seeing Sahil Chauhan stirring, getting back up.
Subject 6 realizes that. Sahil Chauhan pe ab. Oh! Okay.
Too easy. Oh! Deep 6 by Subject 6.
But only for a good 2 count.
Oh! Basement drop kick.
Subject 6 is desperate for a win. Will he call for it? Will he go for the end here? Will we see Subject 6 win his first match here in Wrestle Square?
Oh my God!
He buys him! Is that legal? For heaven's sake, disqualify this guy right now!
Disqualify the stalker, man. But referee is just seeing him. And now Subject 6, the wheels are turning in this mad guy's brain.
Oh, that tiredness coming to play too. No.
Yes, the exhaustion, the tiredness, the wear and tear coming into play for all the 3 competitors.
Sahil Chauhan.
Oh!
Oh.
That elbow just dragged.
But does this small package has something in himself left? I don't think so. Sahil Chauhan is dead here. He's again and again trying to get up, but I think he's not even a competitor now. He's wearing, maybe is giving him some kind of strength and motivation.
Oh,
what the hell was that? What the hell was that? There was a ball that Sahil Chauhan used to bring in this arena.
First setup.
That was a ball, for heaven's sake, and that has hit the balls.
Oh my God! And then oh my God!
What's happening here?
They are double teaming. That is a cricket bat and a baseball bat.
Oh, for heaven's sake, referee, wake up!
Referee is dead. And now Sahil Chauhan, I thought. What?
I have no idea. I have no idea what's happening here.
You are beating up a debutant. Either
maybe they want to welcome him in this fashion. This is the
welcome
way we welcome people.
Okay. So I should have welcomed you in season 1 with a thali hitting you on the head.
Look at! Oh my God, the war! कुरुक्षेत्र का मैदान बन चुका है यहाँ पे.
And now every man for himself. And now Subject 6 wants to win.
But where the hell is the referee?
Referee is beaten up.
Favoring his balls, maybe?
Yes, maybe.
Oh! Lethal right.
Right to the
Mush.
absolutely.
Yeah.
And now we are seeing Silver Wolf in the background, stirring. He still has fight left. Oh my God!
God bless this guy. For heaven's sake, I need to give credit to him.
Oh! Breaking the code.
Oh, he has definitely the knee connects right to the face.
1, 2.
What just happened? What just happened?
मैंने अब ये रेफरी से मेरा ना विश्वास अब उठ गया।
नहीं, मेरे को लगा रेफरी को पता नहीं क्या लगा, क्या होगा।
Breaking the code once again, giving homage to Chris Jericho.
2, 3. Is that it? Is that it?
Finally.
Very lackadaisical ending, so to speak. अभिषेक करने जाते हैं।
Controversial, but yes, Silver Wolf wins this match.
He's a happy guy.
And now
Why
Subject
is Subject 6 now? What the hell he is doing? What the fuck is wrong with him?
The fuck wrong with this guy is that he ain't able to digest this win of a debutant.
Holding the hair of Sahil. Oh! Slams him down with authority.
Sahil Chauhan is very proud of himself and his hair. And how he looks.
Yeah, I saw him admiring himself in the mirror. Look at that, for heaven's sake. Stop this. Stop this cruelty.
Sahil Chauhan cannot digest.
Look at that. No, look at that. What's wrong with Subject 6? Why is he targeting the hair?
He has come from an asylum and there are no answers.
जो Subject 6 करते उसका जब उन्हीं के पास होता है दोस्तों। और इसी के साथ अंत होता है हमारे एपिसोड 3 का of Wrestle Square War. Abhishek Aneja, Goram Mehra signing off. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you next week with more action. Like, comment, share and subscribe.